All right, when we have a multi-lock system with the ProLogic series, we can do something called enable sequence. And what that means is, let's assume I have a safe set up so that I have two locks, and lock number 1 is the outer door of the safe, and lock number 2 is an inner compartment inside the safe. If I am a user and door number 1 is locked, then in order to open door number 2, I'd have to first of all open door number 1, then I'd have to enter my code to open door number 2. But we've made it a little easier than that, so that when you do something called set sequence, the system knows that door number 1 must be opened in order to be able to open any of the interior compartments. So if I have a multi-lock system and I enable sequence, then it will allow me to automatically open door number 1 when I select door number 2. How do I do that? Press the menu button, scroll down the system menu, press OK, enter a manager code or supercode. And I'm going to go down until I see enable sequence. There it is there. Press OK. Now, what that'll mean is when I go to open door number 2, door number 1 will automatically open. I'll show you how that works. Enter code. And I'm going to specify I want to open lock number 2. And it's going to auto-open lock number 1, and then it'll open lock 2. And now I don't have to open lock 1 and then open lock 2. It automatically knows to do that.